Hi, I'm Carmen, and today I want to pitch you an idea that I believe I can change the way young people think about investing. Let me start with a question. How many of us have downloaded a trading app, open it, start with a screen full of charts, number, and then just close it again? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. 78% of the Gen Z investors, they feel overwhelmed by traditional trading apps. They see candlestick chart, moving average, and price to earning ratios, but nobody ever explains what any of it actually means, or what they should do with that information. And this isn't just an inconvenience, it has serious financial consequences. Over 12 billion euros are lost every year by retail investors making the decisions they don't fully understand. Meanwhile, 67% of university students, they say they want to start investing, but they simply don't know where to begin. The core problem is that apps like Robinhood or eToro, they tell you what happened with Apple. Apple dropped 7% today, but they never explain why it happened or whether they should be worried or what it's like to come next. That's the gap we're here to close. This is PulseInvestment, an AI-powered investment copilot designed specifically for students and beginner investors. The idea is simple. Instead of dumping raw financial data on users, they hoping they figure it out. PulseInvestment translates complex market signals into simple, human-readable information. Let me walk you through the 4 core features. The first one, the Pulse score. It is a single number from 0 to 100 that tells you how the stock is doing it at any moment. It combines 3 factors: trend rate, market volatility, and recent momentum. If the score is above 70, the conditions are favorable, we show you in green. Below 30, the things are turbulent, we show you in red. See? No complexity, just one number that any study can understand. The second, the smart alerts. Most apps, they send you notifications like Apple minus 2%. That tells you nothing. Pulse investment at constant. Apple fell 2% today, but they're still 7% above the 30-day average. That's the difference. We just not report, we explain. The third one, the 30-day price forecast. Using a statistical time series model called ARIMA, we show users a price corridor, not a single predicted number because they will be irresponsible. Instead, we show 80% confidence range. Honest, transparent, and useful. The fourth, the volatility radar. Think of it as a weather forecast in the stock market. When the volatility spikes above 30%, we show you storm warning, telling in beginning that this is not the time to make impulsive decisions. That's here where PulseInvestment truly different. The app doesn't just show data, it teaches, and every metric comes with a plain English tooltip that explains what it means. Use and learn with financial concept while they track their investment, turning passive observer into informed, confident investor. This isn't just a concept, it's backed in real econometric analysis over 500 trading days of Apple and Google stock data. We start with data cleaning, fixing mislabeled columns, converting data types, and handling missing values to produce a clean, gap-free dataset. Then, regression. We built 2 OLS models. Model 1, we found that volume ratio has a trend signal significantly predict daily returns with p-values below 0.05 means initial trading volume and trend direction are real, measurable signals that power our smart alerts. Model 2 confirmed that Apple and Google are strongly correlated, so PulseInvestment wants users that holding both are not to give them a real portfolio diversification. Finally, forecasting. We trained an ARIMA model and a back-tested in against 30-day holdout period to produce 80% confidence intervals, which is exactly what you see in the gap right here. The currently price and the 30-day target and the confidence range. Let me quickly walk you through the technical pipeline. How we get from raw data to intelligence users see their pockets. Step 1. Data ingestion. We pull real-time stock prices from the Yahoo Finance API. Step 2. Data cleaning. We fix missing values, convert data types, and ensure everything is sorted chronologically in this foundation. Step 3. Feature engineering. This is the calculate daily returns, rolling volatility, moving average, and the pulse score composite metric. And step 4, model execution. Our OLS regression models in ARIMA forecasting engineering run on this clean data to generate the predictions alert and scores the user interact with. The entire stack it is built with Python using Pandas, NumPy, Stats model, and Skid learning. And the mobile interface is built with React Native for both iOS and Android. Students today are making financial decisions earlier than ever, but the tools available were not designed for them. PulseInvestment changed that. One score, 30-day forecast, 80% confidence bands, all backed in real data and real econometrics. It doesn't just help the students to invest smarter, it helps them to understand what they are invested in. Thank you.